Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Therefore, the focus of the campaign this year is Fair Future for Seafarers.
They have done lots for the economy of Goa. Now it is time for the government to intervene and do their part to save the livelihood of these people who have been instrumental in keeping our economy well afloat.
It is very necessary for everybody to take the vaccines, because without the vaccines, no company is allowing you to join. And with so many efforts put in by everyone, GSCI, the government has finally prioritized seafarers, and also the duration is reduced, which is a great achievement and it will benefit for the seafarers. Also, the second topic is criminalization of seafarers. This is one topic which has never been touched for a seafarer. They are like treated worse than criminals. Even murderers are. There was a photo in one of the newspaper where a captain of the ship was, the way he was treated and a murderer was treated in one of the countries.
The 2021
किती प्रॉब्लेम किती झाला तुमचा?
हांगा पावस पडून सगळे उदक भरता आनी आमचो जो हांगा एक व्हाळ आसा दारा मुखार तो पोर्तुगीज टायमाच्यान आसा आनी त्या उदक भरपूर पावस जडलो म्हणल्यार तेतून सगळें उदक भरून जी आमची हांगा ही घरां आसा ते घरा मेरेन दारा मेरेन उदक पावता आनी उदक पावून आमकां दारांसून देंवपाक सुद्दां इतलो त्रास इतलो प्रॉब्लम जाता की सांगपा सारकें ना. सेकंड थिंग म्हटल्यार हांगा झाडां इतली पयरचे फ्लोटींग जाले तेन्ना इतली झाडां पडल्या आनी झाडां पडून सगळो कचरो सगळो भरला आनी सगळो प्रॉब्लम जाल्लो आसा. दुसरें म्हटल्यार आतां जाणटे नेणटे बरे ना जाले कितें जालें जाल्यार हांगा दोतोरागेर व्हरपाक जाल्यार हांगा सगळें उदक भरता. आमचे भुरगे जे कामाक वयता तांकां येवपाक वचपाक प्रॉब्लम जाता.
This issue was raised by the people to her, and subsequently they have also written a letter to Madam Alina Saldana, the MLA of Kortali constituency, regarding this desilting of the storm water drain, and she has assured them and she is pursuing this matter with the necessary authorities, the Water Resources Department, and I am sure the desilting of this drain will take place soon. Thank you.
हे आमी इन्स्पेक्शन मागलोलें ग्रामसभा कडेन ग्रामसभागान इन्स्पेक्शन मागलोलें पूण आजून तें इन्स्पेक्शन जालो ना.
हो व्हाळ आसा पळय न्हू हो व्हाळ विच इज लायक मोर देन 100 years आनी तेजे पयलूंचो व्हाळ तो म्हणजे पोर्चुगीज टायमाचे तेजे पयलूंचो आमी तेन्ना आमचे डॅडी मम्मी या म्हाजो आजो पंजो कोण जावना तेन्नासून हो व्हाळ पूण व्हाळ आजून कोणें क्लीन केल्लो ना. सो हांव इतलेंच रिक्वेस्ट करता की आमचो इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्स आहा पळय न्हू तेणी येवन हो व्हाळ बेगीनचे क्लियर करपाचो आनी हो व्हाळ मातसो डीप करपाचो सो दॅट हे उदक आतां क्लियरली फ्लो जावन सारकें दर्यान वचपाचें नो दॅट आमची घरां ही एफेक्ट जावं ना. बिकॉज ही घरां आहा पळय न्हू सगळीं मातयेचीं घरां कितें उदक परत परत वचोन ते कॅज्युअलिटी जावपाचे चान्सीस आसा.
It's a proud moment for the children of Benauli, who had started the movement to request the government for a western bypass on streets. Finally, we saw that the NGT has heard our voice.
Save our beautiful fields and save our village. Thank you. I am 6 years old and I live in Benauli. Thank you NGT for saving our fields for the future.
We started this movement back in 2019 on Children's Day, and we are finally happy that our voices have been heard. The NGT has appointed a committee to look into this matter, and we are extremely grateful to them. We hope that the committee appointed has a detailed study on this matter and takes the right decision to save Benauli and our future.
All authorities will be serious as regards environmental issues, and therefore I thank the courts and I thank these people for coming to the courts, and I can only say that constitution values have been upheld. Article 21 will play a big role to save this environment in the future.
And the demand on Children's Day was to protect the wetlands of Benauli, to protect the environment, the biodiversity, and a demand to put the entire western bypass, this 2.75 kilometers, on stilts.